The Foods I Eat, a book for learning Spanish words by Jessica Diaz. Copyright 2019 by Jessica Diaz. All rights reserved. Hi there, I'm Matthew, and I'm learning Spanish just like you. Because I'm learning about foods right now, I'm saying all food words in Spanish. It's so fun. Come check it out. In the morning, I wake up and have desayuno. I like to eat huevos and tocino. My sister likes to eat rosquillas. By the time almuerzo rolls around, I'm usually really hungry. I normally have an emparedado and a galleta, but I only get the galleta if I eat all of my emparedado. In the afternoon, I get to have merienda, which is an afternoon snack. If it were up to me, I would eat helado every day for my merienda. But my mom says that would be unhealthy for my body. So I eat fruit instead, like manzanas, naranjas, or uvas. At the end of the day, my family eats cena together. It's my favorite meal of the day because we get to talk about what happened during the day, like that time I caught a grasshopper. And we get to have dessert too. Tonight, we're eating hamburguesas and papas fritas. Then we get pastel for dessert. What are your favorite things to eat? Be sure to say them in Spanish.